Welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. We got Jeff and I'm Robbie. Today we've got a classic for you. This is going to be Muddy River's take on a hurricane.
Yeah,
it's going to be a good one.
I'm excited for this drink.
And we're dressed for the occasion.
Dress for it, exactly.
Yeah. So for this drink, you're going to need the following ingredients. You're going to need rum. We're using our Muddy River Silver Carolina Rum, Jeff's favorite, and Queen Charlotte's Reserve 4-year, my favorite. Nice. So those rums both go in this drink. We're also going to use passion fruit juice.
Yes, should be good. I think that's a key ingredient. Orange juice, fresh lime juice, and grenadine as well.
We're gonna garnish this with a little bit of lime and some maraschino cherries, just to class it up, because you're making a hurricane, you got the glassware out.
We got the nice glasses, let's do it.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this in a shaker. We'll start with our rum. We're gonna use 4 ounces of silver rum, so 2 ounces per person.
Okay. All right. Next up, we are going to do 2 ounces of lime juice.
All right, in the pot.
In the pot. Next up is the orange juice. 2 ounces total.
2 ounces total.
Yep.
2 ounces. No scurvy here.
No scurvy for these guys.
Passion fruit juice is next.
Oh, yes. I think that is a key ingredient for this.
Key ingredient, passion fruit juice.
We're going to go kind of heavy with this. We're going to go 4 ounces total. We got that in the international aisle.
All right, I'm adding 1 ounce of grenadine per drink.
Yeah, you got to balance out all the citrus notes with some sweet notes.
All right, we're gonna put some ice in that guy. And now we're gonna shake this up.
All right. All right, look at that color.
That should do it right there, boss.
Yum. All right.
A little bit of the tailings. I'm gonna strain this out into our hurricane glasses.
All right. Yeah, look at that color. So you may be thinking to yourself at home, guys, you only used the silver rum.
What are you gonna do with the rest of that space?
What are you gonna do with all that space that you left on top?
I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna add more rum. We're gonna add another 2 ounces of Queen Charlotte's Reserve 4-year as a topper. Should really do more toppers in your mixology at home or at work.
Absolutely. Taste it, looks pretty. Oh.
Garnish this with some cherries, and there you have it, folks. Muddy River's take on a classic hurricane. Perfect for any time of the year, but especially when you're wearing a hula shirt. Hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe and links to our website and social media will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It's really good for using all of our rums and making cocktails in general.
Definitely.
You can find us in your local liquor store, and we do tours on the weekends, so you can come out and taste our products and see our facility. Cheers, brother.
All right, cheers, man.
We have a flag on the flag.
Barstool grenadine.
Yeah, barstool. No, you put spoon. He's just in 5, 4, 3.
Ah, mi cabeza. Pass forward.
Mi huevos. I'm gonna play the Jeopardy.
About time.
Whatever, this video is going viral.
Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. This is gonna be a good one.
Yeah.
Let's do it right. All right.
Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology Tuesday.